Okay, we done. Finished about 20 minutes ago. And here she is. Really, really nice stuff to work with. It's easy to cut. It doesn't chip. So sometimes you use the cheap ones and they chip. And you don't get that when you're cutting very thin pieces where you got to get like this piece. This bit of light. Well, you got to get in like these pieces, these thin. You don't get any chatter from the jigsaw when you're putting it down. You know, when you're cutting it, where you would on the thinner pieces. But really, really nice stuff to work with. And I could tell the difference from the one I had down here before. It dampens the sound much better than what I had. It's much better, much thicker, 12 millimeters. So really, and it has the padding underneath it, so it really absorbs that sound. It's not as echoey in here as it used to be. I got to do some, I got to put the moldings back. I got to take some cord around and finish this off. I'm going to put a rug in the bedroom. We're going to bring it out to the saddle, or where the saddle should be. So that's no big deal. But really nice stuff to work with, I have to say. And for $1.69 a square foot, you can't go wrong. I even had 4 boxes left over, which I'm taking back. No mistakes. No second cuts. Anyway, that's about it. Highly recommended. Okay.